You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the banya, I was covered in a tidal wave, but I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You watch it release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when the silver die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. 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 You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when a spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. Oh, one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, one day you will see I found my inner peace. You watch it release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when the silver die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. 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 And one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, and one day you will see I found my inner beast, and you watch it release. Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the banya, I was covered in a tidal wave, but I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You watch it release in You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But then ready or not, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when a spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. Oh, oh, one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, one day you will see I found my inner peace. You are to release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when you still die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. 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 And one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, and one day you will see I found my inner beast, and you watch it release. Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. No, but then ready or not, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the pain, yeah, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You watch it release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when you still die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. 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 You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But then ready or not, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when a spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. Oh, oh, one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, want you to release. Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the pain, yeah, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You watch it release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when it's do or die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. In the dead of night. In the dead of night. In the dead of night.
Welcome back to the Graphic Design channel. Now I'm going to show you another way how you can mock up your design, how you can edit mockup on your Photopea on your smartphone using your smartphone. Kindly wait, follow me, pay attention so that you'll be able to learn 2 or 3 skills on how you can edit your mockup on your Android phone successfully. As I do say, practice makes perfect, and when it comes to graphics, you need to put all your attention while learning, because graphics are very wise, depending on how you handle it. Without wasting much of our time, as the process goes, you must have had or a process. If you are following those of my videos, you must have what we call a PSD file, or call it mockup file, any of the name. You must have it being extracted to your phone. And if you don't know how to extract it, kindly check my playlist so that you'll be able to see at least that you have almost like 3 or 4 videos there on how you can download different kind of mockup and how you can extract it. And if you need premium mockup, don't hesitate to DM me. That work perfectly on your Android phone. I will guide you through. And if you want any training on how to use Photopea, either facade, video editor, video editing, or picture, or how to edit picture or photo manipulation, or ID card business, anything regarding graphics or animation, you can DM me at my description of a video. You see my number there. Feel free to DM any help, any question. Feel free to DM me so that I will walk you through this journey of graphics without wasting much of our time. Having got your PSD file on your Android phone being extracted, to be on safer side, it is very good to save it on your drive. If you save it on your drive, it won't consume your storage, and it will be very safe. Even whenever you log into anybody's phone with your Gmail, you'll be able to access and use it. And for security purpose as well, you can see it anytime. In case anything happens to your phone, God forbid, you lose all the contacts. But now let's move on. Go to your Chrome browser and type www.photopea.com. Allow it to load. As you can see, it's loading. So when it's downloaded, then you have to click on your file. Sorry. So when it's downloading, The next thing you are going to do is to have your mockup being preset. As I said, once you have your mockup on your phone, you have already extracted it, and at times some you will not extract. Click on your file, click on open, click on download, then locate where you extract your mockup to. Now look at mine. I save it on my drive. This is my drive. Then load it. Sorry, it won't load faster because I have thousands of mockups on my Android on my drive. So, and I will show you now. You see, it has display. I have 18 premium mockup, I have 50 premium mockup, and each side this mockup I have another mockup, even worth more than 50, worth more than 500 there. You see all the file there. That's why it take a longer time before you to load. If you don't have anything there, it will load faster. Let's check this one. You see, this is another mockup. There's another new mockup inside it. There is another one inside it. So let's go back. Sorry for digressing. So now let's go back. Now load. So I will click on my 50 premium mockup. Then let me locate where the mockup is. You scroll it, scroll. It's not this. So scroll it, scroll down. Let me check. Yes, yeah, this is it. Click on it. So now that is the mockup, and you can actually download the mockup at the descriptions. I will leave the link there. Feel free to download it, and don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and comment. So you have to wait this time around because each mockup, they have different period to load, duration to load, depend on the effect and the quality of that mockup. You getting me? It's not like magic. Buffer will hold it and it will turn it to process it underground before the result will come out. So you have to be patient while working with any mockup, because it's not as fast as Photoshops. You have to wait, but everything within 10 or 15 minutes you must have been done at worst, but none of it take more than 5 or 6 minutes. Now it's loaded. You see, this is the result. Now let me take you through another dimension. I won't follow the normal step I do use. You see at the top, you see at the menu bar, you see layer. Look at it, there is a layer there at the top. Look at it. We have hide, we have image, we have layer, we have select, as you can see. So this time around, what you will do now is I want to follow that layer. Click on the layer, then look at the smart object. Click it. Click on open. Good. You see it has opened. Then go and click on the lay by the right hand side. Click on the lay by the right hand side, then hide it. Click on lay to back, then click on file, click on open and placed, click on download. Now locate where you save your PNG design. The logo we just designed that I save on my pixelLab, I'm going to import it now. This is it. So imported it. So I've imported it. You have to wait. It will load. It's not magic. It has to load. It's processing. It's processing. Wait. Now done. So now what we are going to do, you see I shift it to one side. So I want to click on the handle icon. I want to click on those. You see those dots that surround the logo. After I imported it, they are the handle. They call it handle. When you grip any of it, you can draw it out. My phone is somewhere hanging. Sorry. It's somewhere hanging. It will be done. Don't worry. Let me repeat the process. Sorry, okay? Let me repeat the process. That disappear. It has, the way I was drawing it. Later when it respond, it has entered those layers. So let me close it down. Click on file on layer as I said at the top. Click on smart object. Click on open. Are you getting it? Click on open. Then Then after that, you click on lay and hide. Click on hide icon beside it to hide that. Then now click on your file, click on open and place, click on download, locate, now select your png. Good. Now wait for it to load. This time around we are going to run it, so you wait for it to load. Now good, so shift it to one side as I did. You see, move it to one side, then draw it out. It's like you are, as if maybe you are zoom it out. So draw it out, don't let it exceed that layer. The background, that transparent background that you are seeing, is what we call layer. So don't let it exceed, otherwise, because that is where the logo will be placed. Now when you are drawing it, notice something. There must be a number, height and either left or breadth, or width and height. If you don't see something like that after you place your hand on that handle, it means it will rotate, it will not stretch out. You must pay cognizance attention to that. So without wasting much of our time, let's continue. So once you draw it out, because at time, what is the essence of draw it out, zoom it out, is because so that the result will not be too small. It won't be too small. So click on your file now and click on save with smart objects for your work to process. Remember, whatever you input is what your output will be. So you have to wait for it to load. So wait, let it load well. When it done loading, but one thing I want to teach you now again, another trick is this. Let it finish loading and I will show you something. It's loading, it's actually loading. Sorry, wait, it will soon be done. It's because the file is, the logo is heavy and the mockup as well is very heavy. Good. Now you can see that it wrote smart object updated. We are almost there. Now what you will do is this. Some people will be looking at their phone like this to transform. It won't. Are you getting it? Remember, the place you left before you went to go and click on smart object is your logo. The process you did is your logo you select. You have to click where I am clicking. You see, I'm clicking on the first at the top. You see where I'm clicking? I'm clicking on that first at the top. God dot, because they save the name of this mockup with God Esport, but it's supposed to be PSD. You have to click on that PSD because you were only interested in that PSD. But if it is on your logo, it means it won't change and you will be looking at it that nothing was transformed. You see, it has transformed. Now let me click. If you click on your design again, you will see it's your logo that you imported that will display. If you click on that PSD where that they've changed the name to God Esport, it will change. It will automatically, you will see that it will change you to turn to mockup. So you have to be clearly different that there's one person who has already got it and he did not know that he has even got it since all this while, but kept on my own is not transforming until when I now say okay fine, screenshot recording and screenshot and send it over. I look at it, I discovered that he has even got the result, but he was unable to know how to switch. There is an option, the two at the top is a two option. You see, when I click on the your logo, you see what it shows. When I click on the God Esport, you see what it display. You see what I'm saying? So it depends. You have to be very, very familiar with this. So after I've done that, the next thing, let me quickly show you how you can do some crazy editing. You see, and from there you learn what we call placement of logo on the mockup and editing mockup on your smartphone. when you place what we just did without editing or doing anything, it's what we call, we just place a logo. We mock up a logo directly. But now we want to edit it. The first thing, click on your what? Click on the light. You click on the light, then you click on the background, backlight, then hide the light. You can see the way I'm hiding on the bigger one. So hide the light, then hide the effect as well. Click on effect and hide the effect underneath. Then click on background, then hide the black one, the layer one, hide it. Think we are done. Then you back, look at the result. See how the results look. You see, very awesome. So it's just as simple you edit, and you can come back and you can turn on the backlight as well, the light, turn it on. Then let's see. Good. Depend on your what, depend on your taste. But if we leave it the way it was before, you see, it's not even friendly at all. You can do other things there. You getting me? You can do other things, you can edit anything, you can switch it. And if you don't know how you can go about that, when you are on off it, go and check and see the result. When you see, when I turn on, it means there is a black background placed on the background. There is a black background, they now place it on top of this glass background that make it darker. But now let me off it again, that layer one. When you off it, you see it will be brighter. Can you imagine? So it's just as simple. Click on your file this time around, click on export as PNG. Click on export as PNG. Click on saved. Then click on download. Let's view the result and see how it looks. You see, look at the result. Look at it. Very simple and straightforward. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you find my video interesting, don't forget to comment on your way out, share, and enjoy the video as well. And click the bell icon so that you can be updated, notified immediately I updated a new video. Thanks for watching. May God bless you.